Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and navigating straight to Analytics. Once there, pick a time range that matters, last 28 days or a custom window, so you're measuring the period you care about. Next, turn on the watch time, hours, and views metrics in the overview. These are the raw inputs you'll use. Then export or note the numbers. You need total watch hours and total views to calculate average watch time per view and validate later steps. Now calculate average watch time. Take total watch time in hours and divide by total views to get hours per view. Because minutes feel clearer to viewers, multiply that result by 60 to convert to minutes per view. For per video insights, repeat the same math with each video's watch hours and views. Make sure to use consistent time ranges. Mismatched ranges will skew the average. If you exported CSVs, spreadsheets can automate these divisions and conversions quickly. Finally, interpret the averages. Compare your average watch time to video length and audience retention percentages to see drop points. Use those insights to tweak thumbnails, shorten intros, or restructure pacing to lift watch time. Once done, track changes over the next period to confirm improvement. If numbers seem off, check filters, ensure the exported CSV wasn't truncated, and verify you didn't mix concurrent playlists or reruns. A quick re-export and consistent time range usually fixes most discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.